Well, hello and welcome to our second Daraja API tutorials. My name is Ben. In this class, we are going to just give an introduction of what is Node.js. So what I've done is I've created a directory, and this is where our project is going to reside on. And to start now, we need to first of all create our node, our package.js, which is alright npm. It's called package.json file. And init, which is going to ask some few questions, and yeah, that's Daraja node, version is 1, description is a simple node project, consume Daraja API. Entry point, index, correct, test command, nothing, git, nothing, keywords, m-pesa, Safaricom, Daraja API, mpesa-api, correct, author is me. Everything is okay. Yes, is that okay? Yes, it is correct. Now we have our package.json, which everything is as we wrote. The next thing we need to do is to install the required packages, specifically the ones that I'm so sure that we're going to use in consuming the Daraja API, and that is we need to write npm install, and the packages that we need, we'll list them separated by spaces so that we can install them, all of them at once. So the first thing we need to do is to install Express, which is going to assist us in probably making Node.js programming very easy. So we'll need Express. We'll also need what we call body-parser. We'll also need nodemon. We'll also need what we call requests. Yeah. So yeah, let's install this and then we meet and continue from that point. Oh yeah, I also forgot to install something that we'll use so much, and this is npm install mongoose, which is going to assist us in saving this data to what we call a Mongo database, which I've already installed on my machine. So also go and install Mongo. We might be considering a MySQL later, but for now Mongo is going to work for us. Alright, now that we have everything installed, let's go to our package.json file. Let's change this to start. What you need to do is to run nodemon, then you're going to app.js. It's going to be our entry point. Then you go back to our project folder, create a file called app.js, and the very basic introduction of Node.js using Express is by introducing const express is equals to require express. The next thing we need to do is to have const app, which is going now to assist us in using the express. So run express. And the next thing is listen to requests. So we have app.listen, and then give our port. And the port that we're going to use is port 8000. You can use any port, still work. And we need to be closing this for some reason, though it's not a master. So from there we need what we call routes, and routes are paths. Yeah, So route. So let's start with the very first one, and the very first route that we're going to create is app.get, and when someone gets to home or the root directory, we need to have a request and our response, and this will give us something like response.send. How do we send? Say hello world, like that. So we go back here and we open our localhost. So localhost port 8000, and right now the server is not running, so we are not going to get anything working. But now let's go to our project here. Let's clear everything. npm start. Wait, and everything now is working correctly. So if you go back and reload this, you get hello world. We've already started. This is the basics of Node, and now we create our folder structure that we're going to use going forward. So we are going to have a directory folder or a folder called app. This we are going to install all the logic. We also need to go and define another one called models. This we are going to have all our database files. Then we're going to have another one called routes. This is where we are going to have all our paths going there. Then I think that's all we need for today. We'll meet in the next class to continue from where we have left. Hope you'll install whatever we have already installed, and you'll do whatever you've already done. And yeah, we'll meet in the next class and continue from where we have left. Thank you for watching, and if you're new, kindly consider subscribing, and yeah, like the video. Let's meet in the next class.